Stay tuned to see how I decorated my stainless steel water bottle. We're going to begin by sanding down the entire bottle, making sure to remove the fine, shiny finish. Then you'll wipe the bottle down with water and dry off fully. Next, we're going to spray on a base coat of white. Then we are going to let that dry. Once it's dry, we're going to start layering on our Dawn Powerwash. Once you get the Powerwash onto your stainless steel bottle, you'll spray down your second color. I'm using this really bright yellow. And then once you have the yellow spray paint on the bottle, you'll dunk it into the water. This is going to wash off that Powerwash spray and only leave the color in the places that you didn't have the spray on soap. Then I'm going to repeat this process, spraying on some more of the Powerwash over the yellow areas, and then I'm going to spray on a layer of this metallic gold. Again, you can layer this with as many colors as you like and continue to spray the Powerwash and then add your next color. Once this dried, I added a layer of the clear acrylic sealant. While that was drying, I went into my Cricut and picked out a design. I'm not going to use the cheetah print for this specific project, but I did print out my name, and then I went ahead and loaded the Cricut. I then let it work its magic, and then I weeded out my name. This is always the longest part of the project for me because I am not that great at weeding, but take your time and you'll get it finished. Next, I went to apply my saying to my bottle, and at first I was doing it letter by letter, but then I realized it would be so much quicker to use the transfer tape, so I went ahead and applied my last name. And to seal in my name, I sprayed another layer of the clear gloss. And here is the completed stainless steel bottle makeover using spray paint and Dawn Powerwash soap. I really love how this came out. I love the cells that were created through the soap and the spray paint. I really love the colors that I picked. I wanted to go with something super bright and super unique in terms of my design, so I thought that the white, yellow, and gold really made a statement. And then I applied my saying, which you guys can customize. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you liking, subscribing, and turning on the bell for notifications. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.